Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a tour of Gompa Monastery in Phuntsholing, Bhutan from Alipurduar. We start our journey from Alipurduar. A couple of my friends are going to join me from NH31. So I'm starting solo from Alipurduar, as you can see me moving from the streets of the town. As we approach the highway, a friend of mine met me, and you can see him speeding ahead on the highway. The newly constructed NH31 highway is so smooth, you can easily reach up to speeds of 100 km per hour. The highway has been widened recently, and we reach Hashimara in no time. From Hashimara we take right towards Old Hashimara, leaving the NH31 behind. We had a small wait at the railway crossing as a passenger train passes by. Then we move onward on the Asian Highway 6. It's a newly constructed highway which moves from Bangladesh to Bhutan, and we speed toward Jaigaon and Phuntsholing border. The Asian Highway 6 breaks right, as you can see, and we move straight towards Jaigaon. As we reach Jaigaon, you can see we're entering Bhutan to the Bhutan gate. Officially, we are now in Bhutan. The streets of Phuntsholing, Bhutan are much more cleaner than the neighboring Jaigaon of India. You can see everything is so arranged neat and clean all around. There is a parking lane for cars and trucks on the left hand side. And most of the roads in Phuntsholing are one way, so there are a lot less traffic jams in the city. We are moving uphill and we are about to go to the Gompa Monastery to Phuntsholing town. Phuntsholing town is the commercial capital of Bhutan, and you will find various types of goods, domestic and foreign, in this place. The city also has a lot of restaurants, different flavors from all over the world. We are going to turn on the Phuntsholing PARO highway, which will take us to the Gompa Monastery. The highway runs quite a bit through the town, and while going, you can see the sights of the town from the highway. To your right, you can see the Phuntsholing Park, and to the left there are a lot of hotels and restaurants in Phuntsholing. We are now going to leave Phuntsholing town and move uphill on the highway towards the Gompa. This is the highway that goes to PARO from Phuntsholing. It takes about 6.5 hours from Phuntsholing to PARO. We're moving up the highway As you can see, it's quite twisted with a lot of turns and curves, and we move towards Gompa Monastery. We have reached Gompa Monastery, Phuntsholing, Bhutan, and from up above here, you can see the view of Jaigao town as well as River Torsha down below. The Gompa Monastery in Phuntsholing is a Buddhist monastery. You can see the stupa-like structures, which is very common in Buddhist monasteries here too. The view of the Jaigao town down below from up above is a sight to see. The monastery is a popular tourist spot, and people from here and abroad visit this place often. Photography inside the monastery is prohibited, so if you want to see what's inside, you need to take a peek yourself. Visit this place sometime for an inside view. Bhutan, the land of thunder, is closely associated with dragon imagery, and you'll find them everywhere. The backdrop of Jaigao from this vantage point often serves as a beautiful background for photographs, and people enjoy taking self-portraits as well as pictures from this place. On the outer compound of the Gompa, you'll find various types of Buddhist prayer flags. Generally, there are two kinds of prayer flags, the Lungta and the Darchong. Lungta or horizontal prayer flags are of square or rectangular shape, and are connected along their top edges through a long string or thread. They are commonly hung on a diagonal line from high to low between two objects. In high places such as tops of temples, monasteries, stupas, and mountain passes. Darchong or vertical prayer flags are usually large single rectangles attached to poles along the vertical edge. Darchong are commonly planted in the ground, mountains, cranes, and on rooftops, and are iconographically and symbolically related to bhajan. Well, our time on the Gompa Monastery is up. Now we're moving towards Phuntsholing town on the PARO Phuntsholing highway. An important tip for drivers: while driving downhill on this road, be very careful to look out for oncoming vehicles, and do not overtake unless absolutely necessary, and never around the corners. the guy in front of me is riding a bike on a traditional Bhutanese wear. It's a bit difficult to ride a bike in its entirety, but this guy is doing just fine. Well, we are back at Phuntsholing town, and now I have a very special thing to do. Being an Indian citizen, we are faced with heavy fuel prices. But fuel is very cheap in Bhutan. So every time I come to Bhutan, I fill my gas tank to the fullest wherever I get the chance. And now I'm going to search for a gas station nearby to fill up my tank before leaving this country. So here I am at the gas station and I top up my tank to the brim. A transaction which gave me a profit of around 280 INR, which is more than the cost of transportation from Alipurduar. Well, our time in Bhutan is up and we proceed towards the exit gate to return back to India. As we enter India, we are greeted by potholes on the road. The road everywhere in Jaigao is quite dirty, something which as an Indian I am not so proud of. And if you look closer, you can notice the difference very easily. This negative contrast is something which saddens me very deeply, and I hope we can take a lesson from a neighboring country and improve in this matter. So guys, finally we are at the end of our tour and we are now speeding fast on the highway towards our hometown. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the ride with us. And if you do, please like my video and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Till then, ride free. Peace out.